Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the speeder bike from Star Wars. So here's the full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then I'll be right back to show you how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch. So I'm going to simplify with the Sharpie. So let's start out with the main body here, and it's a little bit tricky, but it's actually not too bad. So let's start on the bottom right here. I'm just going to draw one line across. From this point here, I'm going to slant up, and then I'm going to continue go across just a little bit. And then from this point here, I'm going to draw one curve going back here. So just curve up. Okay, so once you have this curve right here, come back here. I'm going to curve down. So this is going to be the booster. Just come all the way down and then just close it off with a vertical line here. Okay, so once you have this shape, things gets a little bit easier. So let's start out back here on the front. This one we're going to curve up. And then from here, I'm going to slant down all the way here. So just come up here. Just come down, stop right around here. Slant up. Straight across. And then just come down here with a slant. And then just go across and then close it. Okay, so that's the main body shape here. So now let's finish up the seat right here. So this one's easy. We'll just extend it. Just follow the same curve and then just close it off. Alright, and then let's go ahead and finish up the handlebar so we know where we are. So right around here, I'm just going to add one circle. So this part here, I'm going to go up. And then right on this line right here, I'm just going to angle it. Okay, one more. And then right here, just add another circle. So you might have to erase out that line right there. Okay, and to finish up the handle right here, just go up with a little rectangle. It's gonna get smaller and smaller. So a little circle and then just one more for the tip here. Okay, so let's come back down here and finish up some of the bigger shapes. So here's the line right here on the bottom. If you take it halfway, it'll be right around here. And I'm just gonna come over here a little bit more. And then from this point, slant down, and this one's gonna go straight across to right around here. And then from this point, just slant up, horizontal line across, and then just gonna go up. Okay, so this part's gonna go to the front. So let's come back here on the back, and then we'll finish up the bigger shapes here. So right here, come straight down and then just go all the way across into the booster. And then right here, I'm going to add some lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then now I'm going to come back up here. Just draw like a little rectangle. Just taper it in and then close it off. And then in this space here, there's a lot of little details, but we're just gonna simplify it. I'm just gonna draw in a couple of tubes right here. So on the top, let's draw 2 lines like this, and then on the ends, just round it out. And then bottom here, just gonna draw 2 curves like this. So here's another tube. And then we'll round those out. Okay, and then to finish everything off here, I'm just going to extend this line on the bottom and then just go up. And then right here, just draw another curve and just go up. So we're just closing the shapes off. And then right here, let's add one more. So we finish that off. Okay, so now we have the full shape here. So since we're back here, let's just go ahead and finish up the little petal right here. So start right around here and just add just a really long rectangle. And then on the end right here, just add one more on the top. Okay, so I'm going to erase out those lines, or you can just make it all black. Alright, and then on the back right here, there's some smaller details. And this looks like some kind of cover, so I'm just going to draw a little line there on the back and then one little slant there. Okay, and there's details in here, but let's go ahead and finish up the front. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna extend this line. And then just come down and then go back all the way back here. So it should be a little bit thicker on the back right here. Okay, and then for the very tip, just extend it straight across, just horizontal. Just slant, and then when you close this off, there should be a little bit of slant as well. And then here, just come straight down, and then again, straight across. A little bit of a slant, and then whatever space you have here, just close it off. And then the very tip here, there's some little bit more detail. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the front. So I think there's some kind of blaster here on the bottom. So this part right here, just a little rectangle, and then just a little long rectangle on the bottom. And that's just, yeah, it's a little bit hard to draw this thick Sharpie, but yeah, so it's just gonna be another, like a little barrel right there. And then for the little tip. And if you wanna add in some wiring, we can just draw a little curve. Okay, so then for the little details right here on the front, just add a little triangle like this. And then right here, we can draw a line going straight up. And then right on this corner here, just slant it up. And then lastly right here, just follow this curve on the top or slant. And then on this one right here, just draw another line. And that is it for the speeder bike. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.